Hey guys, so if you ever wanted to see how to make a ceiling fan faster when it doesn't go fast, or like you see all of a sudden starts going slow and not fast anymore on Roblox, I'm going to show you how. Let's go to this fan, for example. The Farmingtons have been going slow all of a sudden. I was planning to delete them, but all of a sudden I found out something. So you can make this ceiling fan slow. See how slow it is? I can make that go fast. So I changed it with this fan. It's actually very simple to do it. You need to just change part of the script. You only need to change a few numbers. Let it speed up. So that means you can change it from this slow, low speed. From this fast, high speed. I think that's as fast as it can go from the modifications I do. I'm gonna stop the game. So let's get this fan where I use as an example. Basically, we go open a fan, go to the motor set, motor, no wait, you go on the pull chain. No, I was wrong, yeah. Press Alt, you go on a pull chain. You press to a pull chain, this Hampton Bay sound, you click one of the scripts. Here, you see, this is you see the ones with only one equal sign. You go to the middle number and change the max torque. Right now, I'm gonna go on 30, and it should go fast. It should go fast now. Wait, let me do something. You pull on the chain. It should go fast. You can go at however fast you want, 100 to 0 if you don't want it to go. And that's it. So hope you liked the video and hope it fixed the problem.